Hello everyone. Welcome to a new episode of Habla Más Inglés que tu Diccionario. On today, we continue our journey. These words are part of the 100,000 English words that we are going to prepare, step by step. So listen carefully, repeat slowly, and practice with me. Let's begin. 1. B letter. Sentence. The letter B is the second letter of the English alphabet. Explanation. This sentence talks about the alphabet. B is simply the second letter. Nothing complicated. But pronunciation is important. Repeat. B2. B music. Sentence. He played a B on the piano. Explanation. Here, B is a musical note. In music, B is one of the notes. Like a C, D. Repeat. He played a B3 B grade. Sentence. She got a B on her final exam. Explanation. Here, B is a school grade. It means good, but not perfect. Better than C, lower than a 4. To get a B sentence. He studied hard to get a B in math. Explanation. This means he wanted that grade. To get means to receive. He worked hard, and he received a B5 B movie sentence. We watched a classic B movie late at night. Explanation. A B movie is a low-budget film, usually not very famous, sometimes funny, sometimes strange. 6. B road sentence. They took a narrow B road instead of the main highway. Explanation. In the UK, a B road is a secondary road, not the main road, usually smaller, sometimes rural. 7. B-side sentence. My favorite track was on the B-side of the single. Explanation. Old vinyl records had two sides, side A and side B. The B-side was the second side, sometimes the hidden gem. 8. Born. Sentence. The biography says he was born in 1972 in Chicago. Explanation. Born excels as the year someone came into the world. It is about birth. Repeat. Born. 9. BA degree. Sentence. She earned a BA in philosophy. Explanation. BA means Bachelor of Arts. It is a university degree. After years of study, she received her BA 10 BA person. Sentence. He is a BA from Oxford University. Explanation. Here, BA describes the person. It means he completed that degree. 11. BA sentence. The British Airports Authority managed major UK airports. Explanation. BAA is an abbreviation. It stands for British Airports Authority. It was an organization. 12. BAH. Noun. Sentence. The bay of the sheep echoed across the field. Explanation. Bay is the sound a sheep makes. It is a noun here. The sound itself. 13. Bay verb. Sentence. The lamb began to bay loudly. Explanation. Here it is, a verb. The lamb makes the sound. It ba-ba-ba. 14. Babble noun voices. Sentence. The constant babble of voices filled the room. Explanation. Babble means many voices talking at the same time, not clear, just noise. 15. Babble noun. Baby. Sentence. The baby's happy babble made everyone smile. Explanator. Babies babble before they speak. Soft, unclear sounds. 16. Babble. Noun. Stream. Sentence. We listened to the gentle babble of the stream. Explanation. Water can babble too. It means soft, continuous sound. 17. Babble verb baby. Sentence. The toddler began to babble excitedly. Explanation. The child makes unclear sounds. That is babbling. 18. Babble verb adult. Sentence. He started to babble nervously during the interview. Explanation. An adult can babble when nervous, talking fast, not clearly. 19. Babble verb water. Sentence. The small brook continued to babble softly. Explanation. The water makes a gentle sound, like quiet talking. 20. Babble away. Sentence. She can babble away for hours about her favorite topics. Explanation. Babble away means continue talking without stopping. 21. Babble on. Sentence. He tends to babble on when he gets excited. Explanation. Babble on means continue talking too long, sometimes without focus. 22. What are you babbling about? Sentence. What are you babbling about? Explanation. This question means, why are you talking nonsense? It can sound playful or annoyed. 23. A babbling stream. Sentence. We rested beside a babbling stream in the forest. Explanation. A babbling stream is a small river making soft, continuous sounds. Excellent work. These are just a few words from the 100,000 English words we are going to master, step by step. If you liked this lesson, give it a like. Share it with someone who wants to speak better English. Subscribe to Inglesenglish for the next episode of Habla Más Inglés. Get to Diccionario. Remember, your homework is simple. Practice these words before the next video arrives. See you in the next lesson.